Hey people, so we are at this place called Pralines Ice Cream, and this is, if you were to take a look, there's something known as vanilla truffle cake, which is for just 185, and then there are these whole bunch of flavors. Boomer, Ayush, this ice cream is called Boomer.
That's
You pan and cookies monster. Cookie monster. Then choco chip, Nutella brownie. So Ayush, you could have eaten that cake kind of thing now. That's better for the. Oh, see, that is the this is his. Oh no, this is a cake, Kadandi.
Yeah.
So this is that Nutella vanilla cake. No, Ledu, which is truffle cake. So our cake also will look like that, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is nice, yeah. This is a new concept, I think. Cake ice cream, Kadandi. I've never. We normally don't see this kind of blueberry cheesecake, cookie and thing. So once we reach there, then, and luckily it will not melt, right? Because it's a cake. But you've also ordered a cake kind of thing.
I ordered a scoop.
You should have ordered a cake. Okay, take care. You eat the thing. So this is nice. So I'm glad our ice cream is handmade in small batches using natural dairy, local organic. Ooh, so this is interesting. Wow, that is a vanilla something. Huh? That is interesting. So I'm so glad we are here. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.